In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a mic and webcam to Microsoft Teams, making sure you're set up for a successful virtual meeting. Let's get started by connecting your microphone and webcam. Whether you're using USB, Bluetooth, or a 3.5mm jack, plug your devices into the appropriate ports on your computer. Once connected, the next step is to ensure that your computer has detected these devices. If you're on a Windows computer, navigate to Settings, then System, and check under either Sound or Camera. For Mac users, you'll want to go to System Settings followed by Sound or Camera. It's crucial that these devices are recognized by your computer before moving on to the next steps. Now let's dive into Microsoft Teams to configure these devices. Begin by launching Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, click on your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of the interface. Select Settings from the drop-down menu, then navigate to Devices. Here you can manage all your audio and video input options. We'll start with selecting the appropriate microphone and speakers. Under the Audio Devices section, locate the microphone setting. Click on the drop-down menu and select your newly connected microphone. It's a good idea to test this out by speaking into the mic. A moving mic level bar indicates that your input is being received correctly. Additionally, make sure to choose the correct speaker or headset for playback, so you can hear what's happening during calls. Next, let's set up your webcam. Scroll down to the camera section where you'll see a drop-down list. Choose your connected webcam from the options available. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a preview of your video feed right there within Teams. Having this video preview ensures that your camera is functioning and providing a clear image. Before heading into a meeting, it's always a good practice to run a test. While still in the devices settings, you'll find an option to make a test call. Select this to record a short clip using your microphone and camera. Play this back to verify the quality of your audio and video feed. If needed, adjust your lighting setup or the distance of your mic to capture your voice more clearly. Finally, when you're ready to join a meeting, pay attention to the pre-join screen. This is where you can toggle your microphone and camera on or off, ensuring that you're ready before officially entering the call. The great thing about Microsoft Teams is that it will remember your selected devices, making your future meetings effortless and smooth. And there you have it, a simple guide to connecting and configuring your microphone and webcam with Microsoft Teams, ensuring you look and sound your best in any virtual meeting.